Hello, I'm Cullen Bradley, CTO and co-founder of Dayton Photonics, and I am standing next to our Theia system, free space optical communication system. This is a networking telecommunications equipment, and the goal of this technology is to help really ISPs and network engineers have another tool in their toolbox of networking equipment. The neat thing about optical communication is that it does not require any spectrum licensing. There is no FCC regulations. So it is a point-to-point wireless technology using lasers. This system provides a 10 gigabits per second throughput from point to point. We have a range of 2 miles, and we use an eye-safe laser to make this happen. The system mounted here in front of me is mounted on a non-penetrating roof mount. This is about a 5-foot tall one. Our system is set to be able to mount to a range of diameter poles. To mount this system up, if you're going on a tower, we have 2 carabiner poles at the top of the mounting system that allows you to fly the box up. Once up top, you can slide the mount down the pole and physically mount the box to the pole. At that point, you can unlock our user interface box, and in there is a power cord and an SFP Plus slot. So this system currently is AC powered, so it's a standard wall plug power. However, we do also have 48 volt DC powered systems. And then our SFP Plus is a standard SFP Plus for interfacing to fiber optic networks. So I can take my SFP Plus and slide it in there. Once your system has power and network, you can open our software on your computer. And at that point in our system is a camera. So you can observe the camera. Your guy on the tower can use that camera to point the system roughly, getting it kind of within rough line of sight to your opposite node. There is some small tip tilt ability with the system to kind of get it a little bit better depending on how big of an angle you have. But once you sort of have that set, you can be hands off, and then you pull up our software. You run our GUI, and in there is a tab for Automator. So once both systems are powered and connected, you can run the Automator on both systems. Both systems are equipped with a beacon at the bottom and a camera which sits at the top window. The camera will locate the opposite beacon and begin a laser dance. The 2 systems will begin to point at each other and steer and eventually maximize the receive power. This dance is a continuous dance, so depending on how weather and temperature and towers and wind and all these things change and move these systems, these beams continue to stay locked on. And the way they stay locked on is with our patented beam steering technology. Once you have a lock on, you're good. Your network is up. You have a 10 gigabits per second throughput, and you can begin to continue on with your network.